I got to defeat the evil villain! No! Max! I have to defeat the evil villain Tucker. But Max, no! Not my boss! No! Tucker's mind controlling my boss! This is so out of mind! No! Huh?
Okay, you guys, can you try and get them to calm down now, please? It's time to...
No!
Aiden! Let's get the calming mode.
Okay. Yeah. Yes,
Because
I
Mama
defeated.
said that Astro goes to bed usually at 8 o'clock. It's almost 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, but if it's later, it's fine.
Yeah,
I defeated the evil villains! Yay! No, that was the
That was funny.
no, that was the video of Astro and Max defeating the evil Tucker. Okay, bye. I hope you had a great video. Bye.